Most professionals are using ChatGPT, but for only random tasks. Actually, they are using the prompts, but they are not getting the real impact out of it. In this video, I'll show you exactly how you can use ChatGPT in your daily work with examples so that you can save the time and you will get the quality output out of it. Most people are using ChatGPT like write an email, summarize this text, or give me some ideas. This is not how you get the real impact. Then they say that AI is helpful, but it is not game changing. The problem is not with the AI, the problem is how you are using the AI. By the way, this is exactly I teach the professionals how you can use AI in your daily workflow and improve your productivity and the quality of the output that you can receive. In this video, I will exactly show you 3 use cases that you can immediately follow and start using in your daily work. Use case one is email writing. In this, you are defining in your prompt, you are clearly defining what is the task, what is the task is like writing an email, and you are defining the context. You are giving the background, what exactly should be there in the email, and you are giving some more in detailed information for the AI to generate the response. And you are saying what is the tone, professional, friendly, creative. Now let's see in practice how you can give the right prompt to the email. And if you have not watched my previous video, there is a complete video on this, how you can effectively write an email. The link is there in the description. Go and watch that video to get more detailed uh, understanding about how you can write email effectively. As a senior project manager, write an email to the client informing about the delay in milestone delivery. Keep the tone as polite and reassuring. Okay, so it has generated the email and I have given the all the frameworks, like I have given the role and I have given the task and the context and also the tone that I want. And it has generated me a beautiful email and it is reassuring, like please be assured that our team is actively working to address these items. So you get the point. And if you want to refine it, you want to make it little more crisp or you want to detail it, give that refinement prompt like uh, please elaborate on point and give that particular point, or you want to make it crisp, then they say keep it crisp and to the point. So this is how you get the better quality output out of it. Use case one, we have seen like you get a very structured and clear output for writing an email. Let's understand the second use cases where you are planning your task. So daily you are given a lot of tasks as a developer or a manager or a senior manager or an architect. You have a list of tasks to do, like 8 to 10 tasks usually we have in our bucket list to complete, and we just start randomly without any prioritization. Sometimes we are good based on our experience, we can figure out what is the priority and urgency, but sometimes we miss that. So it's better to follow a structured and outcome oriented formats. Let's see how we can prioritize the list of tasks using AI. Help me prioritize the task based on the urgency and impact and give me a clear structure for today. And then I'll give the task over there. So as you can see that the AI has prioritized the task. Like first it is saying send your daily status report and then develop the functionality, attend the client status. And this is the medium impact, like write test cases and attend clarification calls. So it is a low priority here. And the lower priority is send test reports to the manager. This is important, but it is downstream task. So this is how it has clearly identified the priority, and it has also given you the time, like what time you should do, like 9 to 9:20, and then what midday you should do. Since you have given the time for 2 o'clock for the meeting, it is adding that in the meeting. So you got the idea. It is giving you the structured output, and it is also adding the timelines at what time you should do that. So extract it, and you can ask them that give me a tabular format so that it is in one screen. In screen itself it is clear what time you should do the task. So you can refine it. That's great. I can now clearly visualize the priority of the task. Can you give these in a tabular format? In one column give the priority, which is 1 2 3 4 5 6. Next is the task, and Third one will be the type, the importance, and the urgency. And the last column will be at what time I should do this. So this will be a prompt which will be helping you to give a quick snapshot in a tabular format and easy to review. So it is saying the priority one is send daily status report, and the type is medium impact and high urgency, and schedule time is 9 to 9:20. Similarly, it has given all the tasks with the impact and urgency and also what time we should do. So don't you think it is a very clear, concise, and there is no stress, there is no cognitive pressure on you to complete the task, and you have very clear idea what you are going to do. Just do it. Awesome that we have completed two use cases, and we will now proceed with our third use cases. I hope you are getting value out of these use cases that we are discussing. Start applying it so that you can see the real value. In the third use case, this is the most important one, and we are usually facing the dilemma. We have to take decisions, and we are not sure which one is better, whether the decision for task A, task B, and decision A, decision B. What are the criteria? What the client likes and dislikes, and all those things are there. And we keep on, we went into the overthinking loop, and this delayed our decision. So I'll give you the prompt with example, and it will clarify and it will help you decision making the decision fast and also the right one. As an engineering manager, help me choose an editor for my team. I have to decide and adopt an editor for my team of 15 members, and the three tools that we have finalized is the PyCharm, Visual Studio Code, and Cursor. Help me identify which one is good for my team, and give me the pros, cons, risk, and recommendation. And by the way, if you don't know what is the role, like in this case, I have selected in engineering management. Just give the task to the AI and ask them what is the role in this organization for this particular task. Okay, you will get that role over here. All right. So I have to decide between which editor I have to select, and I have given these editor names, and I've asked the recommendation. So it has given me very beautifully table in the tabular format. It is giving me the what is the criteria, and what are the different editors are having fitting the best in this particular criteria. For example, in the core type, PyCharm is a full IDE. Studio Code is a lightweight editor and extensions, and Cursor is AI native editor. So similarly, it has given me around 10 such criterias, and given me the where the each and every editor is fitting the best. And then I think finally I asked for recommendations. So it has also given the pros and cons, like PyCharm, what are the pros and cons. Similarly, Visual Studio, what are these pros and cons. And finally, it has given the recommendation. That recommendation is primary standard is Visual Studio Code. So it is preferring Visual Studio Code as a primary standard. And secondary tool is PyCharm, and experimental is Cursor. Okay. So basically, finally, it is giving this for Visual Studio Code, and it has given all the pros, cons, and the risk and everything. So as a manager, I will decide and I will finalize with the Visual Studio Code. So this is how it will help you in making the decision, and I hope you will start using it in your day-to-day work when you are making the decision, instead of using the going into the overthinking loop and delay the decisions. And in fact, I teach in this kind of frameworks in detail, where you can which can help you in making the decision faster, and with exact framework which I define in detail. Okay. So in this, you just you start using these prompts, and you will get a very good help in making the decision. I have given you three use cases in this video. Start using them, start implementing them, create a library of these the use cases, and it will help you a lot in your daily work. And if you want to go beyond the prompts, how you can use AI in your daily work, I run a free masterclass every Sunday 11 a.m. Link is there in the description.